First pitch is in there for a called strike. Lefty on righty. Here's the 0-1. Slider, swing and a miss.
They started him with a 79 and then an 80. Do you set him up for a fastball here? I think Martin probably looking for that. Actually, 0-2, he probably just wastes one.
Here's the pitch. Yep, upstairs. And nowhere near home. Fastball, low 90s. Here's the 1-2. Slider popped up. Foul ground just beyond third, and it's out of play. Tirada gave it a look over near the tarp.
Not needed today.
Certainly not. Temperature in the mid-70s at first pitch, both games. One ball, two strikes. Puts him away with the fastball.
11th, Five Guys Burgers and Fries strikeout for the Fisher Cats in this 7-inning game. And they had 11 strikeouts in game one, too. That's 22 on the day. Good work. So that brings us to within one out.
Tirada in at third. Now he takes several steps back. It's about 2/3 the way in. First pitch slider popped up out of play. Left-handed batter Nick Ward. 1 for 3. Next pitch, low and away. Played with Great Britain in the WBC. Signed by the Phillies last offseason. He put up outstanding numbers in the Australian Baseball League. 1-1. Tapper foul hits him in the box.
1-2 Fluharty, one pitch away from giving the Fisher Cats a doubleheader sweep of Reading.
He's looking for his 4th save with New Hampshire. Runners on second and third. 2 outs, 2-run lead. 5-3. The 1-2. Swing and a miss. Fisher Cats sweep today's doubleheader as they come back to take game 2. Final score 5-3. We'll step aside on WGIR and Fox Sports 930.